What's up, guys? Mr. Napa Corvair here. Oh yeah, suburban Christmas tree, suburban, big heaping suburban brown Christmas tree. GMC. I'm taking off the Christmas tree off the big suburban. They did a good job today. Junk. Yeah, they did a good job. Somebody in a white jacket there. And she's cold.
Come on, turn it off.
If you can do me the honors.
What?
They did shit on top.
I told you.
About this. Oh, you bent his antenna.
It was came like that. There's the Christmas tree. I have to bring it to the back. There's the tree. And there's Mr. Hanky. Let's go put the seats down in the back, Mr. Hanky. Got a hot water tank to move today. Big 454. Thing's gotta be in there somewhere. It's in the back here. There's one. There's the other. Oh yeah, it'll fit in there. Alright guys, well, got a little bit of work to do. I'm gonna wrap those up, put them away, put them back in the package, put them back in my T-Ruck. And then go help my buddy take a hot water tank out of his house. So I'll talk to you a little bit later, guys. Mr. Napa Corvair here with Big Mr. Hanky. See you later. Bye.